Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Makalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th maths chapter number 2, and the chapter number 2 is addition and subtraction. The chapter number 2 is addition and subtraction. I think you are very well aware about the addition and subtraction as you have read this in your previous class 3rd. So see student, addition you are using with plus sign is there, you are knowing that is the addition sign or symbol you can say. For subtraction we are using minus sign, and some terms used here in the addition is, for addition for example plus sign is there, so the answer which we receive after adding the two numbers or three numbers is the sum of that number. Means the sum we are getting, means the answer is called the sum, and if we are subtracting the two numbers, the answer is called the difference. The answer is called the difference. So student, in this exercise I will start with exercise 2.1. So students, see here exercise 2.1. Two questions are given, A and B, and so first of all I will start with question number A, and your question number A is add. Question number A of exercise 2.1 is add. So in add, simply what is the meaning of add in the question? Add means simply you have to add these two numbers. Okay. So how to add? In the previous class you have learned the less digit, means addition of the less digits. Okay, the less smaller number. But now as we are growing up students, so the digits will be increased after each class. So see here. So the number, I think we are very well aware about the number. What is written here? 4425 plus 4351. And this question is already in column. Okay, so it will be easy for you. So see here, plus sign is there, means you have to add. Add means you have plus sign, and this you have to add, you have to mix. Okay, so 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. Count forward. Okay, 7. 4 plus 3. 4 and 3. 4 already there. 3 is there. 4. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 4, 8. So student, the answer received means the sum of this question is 8776. So this is the answer you received. I hope that rest of the question is the same as it is, only you have to add the given two numbers from each question. Okay. So in this way simply you can get the answer. So now shall we move to the next question? Question number B? Yes, students, see here. Question number B is arrange in column and add. Arrange in column and add. So students, one example I am taking here. See here. So first question I will take from here, arrange in column. So 12,400, 12,409, and plus question is given 33,098. So example, this is question number 1 here. So we see here 12,409 plus 33,098. Students, see this is arranged in column, but here question is arranged in column and add. You have to add, that is clear because add is written here. Here plus sign is there, so it is clear to you. You have to add, but question is arranged in column. So first you have to arrange, then you have to add. So see student, first you will write this number 12,409 with some proper space so that you can add easily. Okay. Now 33,098. This is also 5-digit number. This is also 5-digit number. Right from the back. 89033. This is 33,098 plus. So students, see one more thing I want to tell you here, that if you are writing this number first and then this number, means second number then first number, then also the answer will be same. Means one rule of the addition is there, that if you change the order of the numbers, the answer is same. Means this number plus this number will be equal to, if you are adding this number first and this number 8. So you have to add here 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17, 1, 7, 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 0, 10, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 1, 4. 45,507 is your answer received. So student, I was telling, once again I am telling you the same thing. If you will write 12,409 plus 33,098, you will get this answer. But if you change the order, means if you are writing 33,098 plus 12,409, then also you will receive the same answer, 45,507. Means if you change the order in any way, you can write in only in addition. I am not talking about subtraction. Only in addition you can change the order of the numbers. Means this number can be written first or this number can be written first. So it's your choice, but answer will be same. So you can follow any rule. You can write the second number first and first number second, or simply you can write the bigger number first and then smaller the number, then also it is correct. Both are right. So in this way you can solve question number B, exercise 2.1. So in this way I hope the rest of the question is easy for you after my explanation, and you can solve exercise 2.1. So student, today now I am going to exercise 2.2 also. So this is exercise 2.2, and we are going to solve only 2 questions from it, not all. Few more questions are there that we will do in next video. So see here, fill in the blanks. Exercise 2.2 is, question A is fill in the blanks. So certain rules are there which will be applied to this question. So see students, the two numbers are given here, 27,943 plus 35,961 is equal to 35,961. This equal sign is there, remember this equal sign is there. So left hand side and right hand side, equal sign is there. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. So this left hand side should be equal to this right hand side. So students, see here, equal is there in the left hand side, this number is there, and after equal side in the right hand side also same number is there. But this number is given and here one blank is there. So remember, one number is given already from this side. So the other number you have to simply write there, that is 27,943. So students, see here, this number and this number is same in both the side, left hand side and right hand side. Plus sign is there and then equal sign is there. So in this number is also same. So LHS, in this question you have to learn LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS and RHS? Left hand side of the equal is equal to right hand side. The calculation is same. So now student, the successor of 99,999. Successor, I told you in chapter 1, what is successor? Successor means only plus 1 you have to do. So if you are adding 1 here, plus 1 you are doing here, what number you will receive? 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, then again 0, then again 0, one more 0. So see here, 9 plus 1, 10, I am showing you here, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1 again 10, 9 plus 1 again 10, 9 plus 1, 10, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there, 5, 0 and 1 is there. Okay. So remember 5, 0 and 1. So 1 lakh is your answer, the successor of 99,999. Successor, remember successor plus 1. If predecessor is given, you have to subtract 1. Okay. Now third question. The number is given and 0 is added to it. So the rule is, if any number is given to you and 0 is added to it, then the answer is the number itself. Okay. See here, 37 37,000 plus 5. For example, 5 chocolates I am giving to you and I am telling you 0 chocolates you have to add. So how many chocolates are there with you? Of course 5. Same answer you are getting. If I am telling about 2 chocolates and 0 is added, you are getting 2. So if it is a smaller number, bigger number, 0 is added, the number is same. You don't have to worry about the bigger number. See, 37,005 plus 0 is 37,005. Same answer you will receive after adding 0. 0 means nothing. So same number will be received. Now question number D. Question is there plus dash is equal to 4. Answer is given. So what is the difference in between this? See here 41,052, 41,053. So only one next number is given. Next number means successor. So after adding 1, we are getting the successor. Simply you have read in previous video. So by adding 1, you can get the answer. Now students, the last question of this video I am telling you means after that question C and D we will solve it next video. Okay, add, check the answer. First you have to add and you have to check the answer. So first add, simply first add, then we will see the next thing. So simply this arrow is there means these two you have to add and the answer will be here. 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 5 10, 1 0, 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 3 7. The answer received is 7,808. Okay. Student, for checking, these are the two given numbers and we are getting this as the sum. This is the answer. So if we are adding these, the given number, these two number means the above two number means these two number we can subtract and get the answer. But here some more tricks are used. So this you have to solve. See here. So same you will get 6 plus 2 arrow is there. Only you have to see the arrow. 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 3, 7 and 4 plus 3, 7, sorry, plus 1, 8 because 5 plus 5, 10, 1 is left. 1 is there, plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 and 4 plus 3, 7. So students, see here these two addition we are getting this answer and these two addition only we have to just put upward arrow is there. So these two we have to add and write the answer in the upside. So same answer we have received here. So in this way, one you have to solve and the next also will be the same answer if these two numbers are same here. Okay, check it whether these two numbers are same in all the questions, then you can write the same answer here. So student, I think in this way you have understood exercise 2.1 and 2.2, but 2.2 two questions I had left and that we will proceed in the next video. So now this is the end of the video for this part 1 of chapter number 2. Thank you for watching.